Hey. Thanks.
No. No problem.
Hey! Feels like wool.
Yeah.
Alpaca?
Oh, yeah, it is.
Oh, yeah, I thought so. It's nice.
My wife made it.
Oh, she knits?
Crochets.
Crochets, nice.
Thanks.
You'll learn to love him.
So I was thinking that when I got back to the city, I mean, there's lots of hilltops, and maybe I might, you know, I might...
Are you saying you've changed your mind?
Oh, well,
Because you know that means you're doing something nice for someone else.
No, I know that, I know.
And you're all right with that?
Yes. What?
Don't shake, unless you mean it. All right. Let's get you back to the palace. Oh, by the way, thanks.
No, thank you.
Okay, once we cross this bridge, it's only an hour to the palace.
Good, because believe it or not, I think I need a bath.
I believe it.
What was that?
Nothing. Oh! Cusco! Cusco!
Yeah.
Quick, help me up.
No, I don't think I will.
You're gonna leave me here?
Well, I was gonna have you in prison for life, but I kinda like this better.
I thought you were a changed man.
Oh, come on, I had to say something to get you to take me back to this city.
So all of it was a lie?
Well, yeah. No, wait. Oh, yeah, it all was a lie. Toodles!
We shook hands on it!
You know, the funny thing about shaking hands is, you need hands. Okay. Bye-bye.
Are you okay? You all right?
Yeah, I think I'm all right.
Good. That's for going back on your promise.
Yeah, that's for kidnapping me and taking me to your village, which I'm still gonna destroy, by the way. No touching.
Why did I risk my life for a selfish brat like you? I was always taught that there was some good in every...